Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the fire analysis over composite beam here, the concrete steel beam, and also we have reinforcement in the concrete here. uh, we can use direct method or sequential method, both can be used. And let me check the temperature here. You can see the temperature variation here, for instance in the concrete. And this is the temperature. We apply temperature during couple of hours, fire temperature on this surface as a convection method, and here conduction happen. And let me remove this, and you can see the temperature now in the reinforcement. Here this is the temperature in the reinforcement. And the last one is temperature in the steel I-shaped beam. Here you can see the temperature around 140 degree at the end of the simulation for this, but here at the top it is around 620 degree here. And we can check now the stress for concrete slab here under bending and fire both. Here you can see this is the stress. If I click on animate, you can see we use the static model. And here this is the temperature variation. Let me remove this, replace the steel beam. See, this is the stress, steel reinforcement, and then the steel beam. Here also the stress for the steel beam. You can see the deformation also here for the steel beam. We can request plastic strain happen in concrete, temperature, displacement, or anything else. For instance, if we use temperature, we can create diagram from here to here. Also the reaction force is you can see the reaction force increases in the negative direction because the slab the composite beam resistance against the load, and we can keep the load more to get the zero value for the force, and that's mean the composite beam is failed, but till now it works. So if you want to model fire and also bending test at the same time or at the sequential analysis, you can come to our website here, www.abaqusfem.com. find the English tutorial here or search it in the search section of the website, then click on the title. You will have the geometry assembly, then the definition of the method, definition of the modeling fire and static analysis with bending test, and then the result as figures. You can see the cost for the CAINP English video file and Excel file for the materials that you use. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before payment, contact me to this email. Also, if you are interested to modeling and simulation in Abaqus, you can use our full package. Our full package with more than 430 tutorials. The full package contains all things that you need in all level in learning Abaqus, in Abaqus learning. It contains many things here like explosion with all method, impact, welding, biomechanics, forming, crack, soil, CFD, thermal, cyclic, masonry. All of these titles, for instance composite, this is the separate package, but here we put all of the package in just one package as a full package, and the cost for that is so affordable. If you need this full package to learn Abaqus deeply, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.